para presentation var terbiyürset. 2. Transpersonal 2. 3. Telemodicated displays. Describing your travel experience and give some recommendation. And where should they second come according to the writer. 4. They are recommended to the plan of 3 of the place you describe. Let's go. 1. Terbiyürset. Vinay Suarez are on the city of the computer. Award of the system coordination and the social concesiones. I like going on the cinema, the visitor of the park. Watch your experience in the true. Stay running one and true. In the month of December of the year, the Barranquillas, one of brothers. That is what they got. When the boots are cost, they ticket the free 32,000 pesos. That I arrived 14 on 31 when my brother arrived what is the film. Her mother is Sylvia going to Barranquilla. In this time, and the opportunity to travel in the beach for vacations. With my new head, we went on Saturday and Sunday to Cartagena, Santa Marta, either relatively close the more or less 2 hours by bus. At the beach, very right, with boats and the water normal the beach on the bus. We traveled the boat at the beach near Cartagena, or reached the barrel of the white beaches. Similar to the McLean's, the place should describe your travel experience and give some recommendations on what should the baking is to come according to which stay to what the future like. The Barranquilla days are solid, soon really become wet and rains. In those it's currencies. People threw out bits in the picture and enjoyed the forest. The garden of the Barranquilla cultural chase the attempt to rain. Splendor strong, the Barranquilla makes it. The secretary trader been chased in the sea on the beach. People is sure why mess. Called the right province 3 hours secure the press. As I treat you should keep your passport. Write the truth down at the third card of the son of the peace card. They often have a sister child of the service the public. But the children have with the world. When the beach is the brilliant screen on the cater tray card on the sun. Thank you very much.